Hi everyone, welcome to Fast Time Brew. Today I'm making stout again, but this time I'm not going to call it chocolate oatmeal stout because they're never chocolatey and never oatmeal, so it's just stout. Let's make some just stout. Okay, first things first, as always, get the water going because that sort of kicks off the whole thing. So nothing starts till the water starts, so I'll just get the hang on, stupid thermometer, not working. Anyway, water's going so I can have my coffee. Max is chewing on his bowl there, and Jonah can have breakfast. Num num num, look at him go. He feeds himself now, kind of. He's not the world's most efficient feeder, but he does alright. Anyway, I got the thermometer working, just had to hit it a bit harder. So, taking a little bit of water out today because I've got a lot of grains, and here they all are, and I haven't got my notes. So, this is, I'll have to put the recipe in the final thing, but this is some Munich that is going in as base malt. This is just regular old ale malt, so those two make up the base. Here's some oats. There's, I think, 11% oats in there, and they should make it nice and smooth. That's chocolate malt going in, dark chocolate, and this is rye. No, it's not, that's a lie. That's roasted barley. And last and also least is some dark crystal. So that's all getting stirred in there, ready to mash. And looks like we're mashing at 68 big ones, so that'll go on, and the cover goes on. There we go. Just clip that up, and I'll mash it like that for an hour. There we go. Good. Alright, an hour's up, so time to lift the bag out. Out she comes, and we all know that I'm really good at this now, alright? So I'll just do what I usually do, and no, hang on, swap hands, and now we'll pull it up and wait a sec, here we go. Oh, it's a bit heavy actually because it's got a bit more grains than usual, so I'll just get that under and it's flopping over the side. Oh, there's stuff going everywhere. What are we going to do? That's not good. Can't get the corner. Mop up the mess. Back to the old days. I've got this clip that held it together nicely, and now we'll get the thingy cranking to boil it. And I'll put in that water that I took out earlier, so there we go. Back to whatever you are, and squeeze the bag, of course, and in goes that bit. Okay, so now it's all coming up to temperature. So, time for a snack. And look, this is Jonah and his friend Eddie, and they're having fun, and Max is just cleaning up the discarded bits in the background. Chicken nuggets. I wish I had some chicken nuggets. Anyway, no time for that. Target hops going in, 45 grams for an hour. And that's it for this one, just the bittering hops. So, I guess I'll use the time to sanitize the old cube there. So that's some Star Sand solutions going in. And don't forget to sanitize the hose as well. So that's has some stuff poured through it. And I'll just shake it around, make sure it's all covered on the inside there. That's all good. And now we're nearly done with the boil. Me just having one of the last stouts that I made. So, turn off the element and let's get the hops out of there, shall we? They kind of drip. Takes a while for this thing to, Anyway, I'll start the timer now while we wait for sort of the convection currents and things to settle down. And they have. So now it's time for a whirlpool, and around she goes. So this will make all the hop break form a nice cone at the bottom and hopefully stay away from the tap. And there is the tap, and it's on. And we're draining into the cube while Max chases flies and plays peekaboo with the camera there. And yeah, so you can't really see what's going on, but actually the hop break didn't settle nicely, so I lost a fair bit of volume there, and I'm having to put my foot right into the cube to squeeze it out because there's a big air gap, so not quite as big as batch as usual, but anyway, doesn't matter too much. That's pretty good, I reckon. Yeah, so this is the Nottingham Yeast. That's going to go in tomorrow after it's cooled down, but for now, we're all done. Play with the dog and sing the beer song. Beep 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 beep.